In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Wix website into a PDF the easy way. Converting your website into a PDF can be a useful way to save a static version of your site, share it easily with others, or ensure you have a hard copy for your records. Let's dive in. First, head on over to I Love PDF. This website provides a user-friendly set of tools to work with PDF files, including converting HTML files from your website into a PDF document. Once you've navigated to the website, look towards the top of the home page and find the option labeled HTML to PDF. Click on that. With the HTML to PDF tool open, your next move is to click on Add HTML on the main interface. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify the web page you want to convert. Now, let's switch gears to your Wix website, where you'll be sourcing the content. Inside your Wix editor, take a moment to make sure your website's content is exactly how you want it on the PDF. To finalize the website content for conversion, locate the Publish button, typically on the top right corner of the Wix editor. Clicking this will make your site live and ready for the next steps of our conversion process. Once your site is published, you'll need to gather the URL. Simply copy the full website address from your browser's address bar. This URL is what you'll feed into the I Love PDF HTML to PDF tool. So double-check to ensure it's accurate and includes the necessary HTTP or HTTPS prefix. Back to I Love PDF now. Paste the copied Wix URL into the designated field on the I Love PDF tool you've opened earlier. Once pasted, press the Add button to confirm the URL. This action will upload the web page for processing in a PDF format. All set. Now go ahead and hit Convert to PDF. The I Love PDF tool will start processing your request, converting the web page into a PDF file format. It takes a moment, so feel free to sit back while it does its magic. This PDF will replicate your website's content as a static document, preserving images and text as displayed online. Finally, it's time to capture the finished product. Click on the Download PDF button. Your PDF file will be safely downloaded onto your device, ready for whatever purposes you have in mind, whether it's printing, archiving, or sharing with clients or colleagues. And there you have it. You've just seamlessly transformed your Wix website into a portable, accessible PDF file using I Love PDF. Thanks for following along in this easy walkthrough. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one, simplifying your digital tasks one step at a time.